Tēnā koutou te Reo-Trepeneurs of Tākina. Welcome to week 4 of your te Reo-Trepreneurship. This week, the core comment is nāhea, when tense. But before we get into it, you know what we're about to do. Kia kara kia tātou. Kia taura ngā manaakitanga a te runga rawa ki tēnā, o mātou, e taunei, kia tūturu, o whiti, whakamaua, kia tīna, hui e, tai ki e. So the core comment for this week is nāhea, when tense. Just be aware that some of the terminology is created by Tākina and you will not find it in any other Māori dictionary or Māori resource. There are two questions that we're going to look at. The first one is, when in the past? This question eventually leads on to asking when something was in the past, but let's just focus on the core question, which is, when in the past? Can you say that? Toru wha. When in the past? Awesome. The next thing we're going to look at are the 4 responses to this question. Now they are generic responses. Later on we will get into specific responses, but just for this particular lesson we're looking at 4 generic responses. The first one is yesterday. The second one, last night. The third, just recently. The fourth, now. So this is what that sounds like. When in the past, yesterday, last night, just recently, now. Now looking at te reo teina, or the younger voice. When in the past, inahea. Again, when in the past, inahea. Awesome. And the 4 responses mā te reo teina are yesterday, ina nahi. Last night, ina pō. Just recently, ina kua nei. Now, inaia nei. I'll do that again, all of it mā te reo teina. Here we go. Inahea, ina nahi, ina pō, ina kua nei, inaia nei. Now this is what it sounds like mā te reo tuakana and mā te reo teina. Here we go. When in the past, inahea. Yesterday, ina nahi. Last night, ina pō. Just recently, ina kua nei. Now, inaia nei. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is, when in the future? Obviously leading into a question asking when something will be in the future. For example, when is the hui, or when is the meeting, or future tense. So the question is, when in the future? There are 3 responses. The 3 responses are now, soon, tomorrow. So let's put that all together, mā te reo tuakana. Here we go. When in the future? Now, soon, tomorrow. What that sounds like mā te reo teina is this. Āhea, aia nei, ākua nei, āpōpō. What that sounds like both mā te reo tuakana and mā te reo teina is this. When in the future? Āhea, now, aia nei, soon, ākua nei, tomorrow, āpōpō. Cool, so let's taki up. This is what the taki sounds like. When in the past, inahea. Yesterday, ina nahi. Last night, ina pō. Just recently, ina kua nei. now, inaia nei. When in the future, ahea, now, aia nei. Soon, akua nei. Tomorrow, apōpō. Just remember that if you are going to do the taki, or should I say you should do the taki or the reciting is just reciting that vocab from when in the past all the way to apōpō or tomorrow. Time yourself and watch the time get shorter over the weeks. Remember, taki helps you develop your fluency and also increase the vocab. Kōrero mai, kōrero atu. This is a very, very essential part of the video, e hoama, so make sure that you make use of it. Only because I do pose the question and it's a chance for you to respond and also pose as well. I know it's not as efficient as a live or a real life person, but at least the whole idea of posing and responding is there. So kia kaha. Here we go. When in the past, inahea. 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 When in the future, ahea. When in the future, ahea. When in the future, ahea. Awesome. Follow the subtitles and I'll respond to your questions. Here we go. Yesterday. Ina nahi. Last night. Ina pō. Just recently. Ina kua nei. Now. Inaia nei. Now. Aia nei. Soon. Akua nei. Tomorrow. Apōpō. Cool. Now let's look at tauiho. Language reciprocation. Also, let's look at the expression, using yesterday as an example. Here we go. Yesterday. 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 When in the past? Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. No, tomorrow. Kei te pai? Cool. Now, mā te reo taina. Here we go. Ina nahi. Ina nahi. Ina nahi. Inahea. Ina nahi. Ai, ina nahi. Kau, apōpō. Here's an example using apōpō or tomorrow. 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 When in the future? Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. No, yesterday. Mā te reo taina. Apōpō. 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 Ahea. Apōpō. Ai, apōpō. Kau, ina nahi. So don't forget, although I just used yesterday and tomorrow as examples, you can use all the vocab that you've learnt tonight. So we had yesterday, last night, just recently, now, soon, tomorrow. You can use that vocab in the tauiho or the language reciprocation. Kei te pai? Awesome. Hope you all have an awesome week, e hoama. If you haven't already, check out week 1, wai, week 2, ia wai, week 3, here. Check out those videos before moving on, and make sure you stay up to date with us. Don't forget that you can feed into the Facebook group, the Tākina Te Reo-Trepeneurs Facebook group, also the generic page as well. Get in there, post some stuff, show us what you're up to, use the language that you've already used, and help inspire and empower other second language learners. Ngā mihi kia koutou katoa.